I'm Ben, and we are going to add a site, just like we did with Search Console and Google. We're going to add Bing Webmaster Tools for a particular website. And again, this new website has Yoast SEO installed. It's WordPress, so we can use the HTML meta tag, copy that tag, and under the settings, it's easier just to search for them, but it is under the settings with connections. Yeah, here you go, site connections. There's the Bing code, paste, save. There we go. So once that's saved, I can click verify. You can do it via a file that you upload to the server. Done. Now, what's really good about Bing Webmaster Tools, as opposed to Google Webmaster Tools, or now it's called Google Search Console, is you can actually scan the website. So let's go to here, start a new scan. So we're just going to scan the site, scan the whole thing. Yep, go to 1,000 pages, do the whole lot. It's only a small site. And then it's going to email me when it's done. There we go. So we've connected Bing Webmaster Tools through Yoast to a WordPress website, and we've kicked off the first scan. There we go.